In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stake your PYTH tokens to potentially earn several additional airdrops in 2024. Now, there's been a lot of hype on Twitter about staking PYTH to earn additional airdrops in 2024, and a lot of threaders are talking about how this is going to be a lucrative thing to do. But I will say that CC2, who is hands down my favorite airdrop hunter on Twitter and one of the ones that I think is the most real, also does think that staking PYTH is going to be a lucrative activity. And so if you do want to stake some PYTH tokens to try to qualify for a Monad airdrop, as well as a couple of other airdrops within the Solana ecosystem, then this is exactly step-by-step what you need to do. For starters, you need to have a Solana wallet with some PYTH tokens in it. Now, if you got the airdrop from PYTH, great, you're already good to go. If you need to buy the tokens, I recommend using a decentralized exchange like Jupiter, where you can swap from pretty much any asset on the Solana blockchain into PYTH. So for example, if I was going to exchange one SOL token for PYTH, I would just put it in right here, hit swap, and then confirm a transaction in my Phantom wallet. Now, I'm not saying this as an endorsement of buying the PYTH token to try and speculate on the price of it, and I have absolutely no idea what will happen to the PYTH network token itself. This is purely a speculative play to try and hit some more airdrops for staking the PYTH token. However, if we do look at the price chart of this token since launch, you can see that it's actually been kind of crabbing downwards for a little while. So at least this is not a situation where the price has already run up by like a 10x and you're buying someone else's massive gain. Like Celestia or TIA tokens, for example, where the airdrop came in somewhere around $2 per token, and now this thing is trading almost at $20 per token. So buying TIA to stake it and try to qualify for Celestia staking airdrops is a lot more difficult now than buying the PYTH token and trying to stake this. Anyways, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research. But if you do decide to buy some PYTH tokens, once you have them in your Solana wallet, we're going to need to go to the PYTH governance website. Now, there's a whole blog post from just 2 days ago talking about how to stake PYTH and why you might want to do it. But pretty simply, you just go to this website here, connect your wallet, and then select how many tokens you want to stake. If you do stake them, they're going to be locked up from Thursday to Thursday. So each epoch lasts 7 days. And you can only unstake them at the end of an epoch. So once you do decide to stake some tokens, all you do is select how many. I'm just gonna hit max and deposit the full amount of the tokens I have in this wallet here. Now, I purchased these tokens on the open market. I was not airdropped them. In terms of the actual total amount that you would need to stake in order to qualify for airdrops, I cannot tell you with 100% certainty. I feel like something over 500 is probably a reasonable amount. That's almost $200 US worth. It's possible that you could get by with less, and obviously the more that you put towards this, the better chance you have of getting over any minimum threshold amounts that end up being instituted. Anyways, the next step after you decide to deposit your tokens is to just hit on the stake button and confirm a transaction. So this is going to take the PYTH tokens out of your wallet, and there's also going to be a small fee in SOL for doing this. So now you can see that my stake is pending, and at the beginning of the next epoch, I will actually be able to vote on governance proposals. And that is the final step of this equation. Is you notice at the top here, there's a button that says governance. And if we go to this, we can track the proposals that are being put to us. And once you do stake PYTH tokens, you can vote on these. There's currently no governance proposals open for voting right now, but it's possible that if you vote on them, then that could actually increase your chances of getting an airdrop for staking PYTH. And if you ever want to unstake your tokens, you simply go to the unstake tab right here, select the amount you want to unstake, confirm that transaction, and then at the end of the epoch, you'll be able to withdraw them. So that is the process. You do have to lock your tokens up for at maximum 7 days at a time. But if you weren't planning on selling these anyways, then you might as well go ahead and stake them to try and get a chance at getting additional airdrops. And I see no reason why you couldn't do this in multiple wallets if you have the extra capital and you're willing to risk it on the volatility in the price of the actual PYTH token itself. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you found this little tutorial helpful, and always please do your own research before buying tokens like this and depositing them into platforms like the PYTH staking platform.